Waring Xtreme Ellipse commercial blender is designed to simplify preparation tasks with its built-in dasher system and adaptable dock. Once foods are placed inside the 32-ounce jar and the two-part lid is sealed, users can select an automatic or manual mode depending on their need. This blending system pulverizes fruits and vegetables from the top down, while the dasher scrapes the sides of the container for minimal waste. Its innovative sound enclosure limits noises and vibrations, and the backlit screen offers optimal visibility for the adjustable controls. Though this product provides ample power to sustain workflow throughout a shift, this blender is paired with a quick-paced charging station for consistent use. For more information on the Waring Xtreme Ellipse blender, visit KaTom.com or call our customer care team today.